In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to wire and set up T2 non-programmable thermostat for heat pump only. Yellow wire, which is compressor, go to Y. Green wire, which is fan, go to G. Blue wire, which is common, that go to C, and that's what power the thermostat if the battery is dead. Orange wire is reversing valve, and that goes to O/B. White wire is for the heat, and that goes to W2. Red wire is 24 volts for the thermostat, and that goes to R. You have to leave the slider up because there's a jumper between R and RC. Once you're done with your wiring, close the plate. Put two AA battery on your thermostat and mount it on the plate. In order to set up your thermostat, you need to press the menu down. 125, that is the temperature preference for the thermostat. If you want your thermostat in degree Fahrenheit, you have to leave it on 0. If you want it on Celsius, you have to press edit and leave it on 1. But for this particular setup, we want the thermostat to read degree Fahrenheit. So we're going to leave it on 0 and click next. 200 is the heat type that we need for the heat pump. If we want the set it up for the gas furnace, we can circle it up. You go to 3, 5, and it start with a 1 for the gas furnace and 2 for the heat pump. 2 is what we need for this wiring, and we're going to click on next. When you click on next, it takes you to 205, and that's the heat type. For the setup that we're doing is for the heat pump. Number 7 is the air-to-air heat pump. Then we click next. 218, that's what gives you the number for your reversing valve. For the reversing valve that we use for this T2 is going to be 0, and we're going to leave it alone there and click on next. 220 is the cooling stage. For this particular setup, we have a single stage, and that is 1. If you have a double stage cooling, you have to put it on number 2. But for the single stage, that's just need to put a 1 on 220. Then we click next. This 221 is for the heat stage. The same thing, we're dealing with a single stage heat. We're going to leave it on number 1. Then we're going to click on next. 300 is when you're going to set your thermostat. It's either you want to set your thermostat manually to change it from heat to cooling manually, or you want to leave it automatically. If you click on edit and leave it on 1, your thermostat is going to change by itself from cooling to heat. But if you want to change from cooling to heat by yourself, you have to leave it on 0. And that's it. Once you finish this, you click done and it's going to take you to on screen. That is the end of setup. If you have any question or you need the service for HVAC, you can call us JTech Heating and Cooling 703-488-8940 for only DMV. Thank you.